So forward, forward. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much for inviting me here. SuitX designs and manufactures industrial exoskeletons and others. The focus here is on industrial devices. The best definition for these devices are simple robotic systems that you wear and the worker's productivity increases and you reduce the risk of injuries. We founded this company in 2013 and we're in Emeryville, California. We're about 27 employees in there. As you see here, these are the applications of our devices, mostly in high-volume package handling, warehousing, distribution places, construction sites, and many places that you cannot really replace people with the robot. These people put their bodies into abuse. They do things, very unstructured works. They make decisions, for example, loading trucks, unloading trucks. And our devices basically augments them and give them a better quality of the work. We have shown in a laboratory setting and clinical setting, our devices decrease the muscle forces by 60%. And on top of that, we also have done a set of experiments that show the fatigue decreases also. For example, if a worker was supposed to work for 1 hour without the device, when they are wearing our exoskeletons, they can work 20 more minutes more, and they get to the same level of physiological fatigue. This is like a very simple way of describing what these devices do. Of course, there are other properties too, which I might get an opportunity to tell you on later on. We have several modules. One on the left side is called leg support exoskeletons. And what it does, these are smart braces that they talk to each other, left leg and a right leg, and allows you to squat for a long time or repeatedly for a long time. As you know, squatting is almost a form of exercise. And if you do it for a long time, basically, you will have different various diseases and the knee joints. The one on the right side on the top is called back support or back X. And these devices allow you to bend, as you see it on the photograph, for a long time or repeatedly. And the last one is called shoulder support, which allows you to do overhead jobs. All of these devices were invented or designed based on a report that came from the Department of Labor that the highest rates of injuries are at shoulder, back, and knees. The funding came from the Department of Defense a long time ago, and then it continued with many corporations, in particular in Japan, to develop these very practical devices. And here is a list of some of our customers here. We have over 120 customers currently. The largest one is Siemens, GE. In fact, Siemens just recently committed to buy high quantity for the entire facilities in Europe. Here's our sales. As you see here, we have a total of about $4.5 million revenues we had. To just give you a description of what devices, BackX, as you see it here, is a smart brace, 2 actuators on the left and right. And with this machine, you are able to walk around, climb the stairs, up and down the stairs. You can even drive a car and ride a bicycle with these devices. However, as soon as you bend, it reduces the forces at location L5S1, very back down here, and it reduces the compression forces on your spine. Oops, sorry. Here you can see some of our customers. You can see on the left side is bending for a long time and measuring airflow. And you can see package handling and also airports. Just some videos of our devices being used in various facilities. ShoulderX is another device is used for basically overhead work, and it reduces the forces at the shoulder complex. Here again, some of our applications, mostly in a construction environment working on the ceiling. This is the Tokyo fish market. This is another manufacturing facility. And the last one is knee support exoskeleton, as I mentioned before, allows you to squat for a long time in various manufacturing facilities, working on the floors, and also warehousing situations. Here's again another building that we evaluated our devices. You can wear these devices individually, or you can wear them all at the same time if you need it. We have sold many of these devices, over $1,200 exoskeletons currently. The price of each is about $5,000. We have other products too. One is medical device, which was just recently received FDA. And we also have military and recreational devices that are funded by Department of Defense and other sources, which will come on the first quarter of 2019. Our focus here today is on our left side, industrial devices. We have an executive team of 6. My phone number here, in case you have any questions, you can call me back later. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Questions for